Want to save money and maybe earn some too with AI? Great news, ChatGPT-4o's image generator is now free.
Wow.
Welcome to the TenorShare channel, where we'll show you how to use it and share 5 ways to save costs while creating. Let's dive in. Using ChatGPT-4o's image generator is a breeze. Head to ChatGPT's website and sign in. The image generation feature is now free for all users. Type a detailed prompt, like a futuristic city at sunset, cyberpunk style. Hit enter, and in seconds, you'll get a vivid image. For better results, upload a reference image and ask for tweaks, like turn this sketch into a watercolor painting. It's that easy to start creating. Here are 5 ways to save money and possibly earn with ChatGPT-4o's image generator. 1. Personalized content creation. No need to pay for custom avatars or emojis anymore. Prompt a cute cartoon avatar of a girl with pink hair and glasses, smiling. Use it as your profile pic. If your friends love it, you might have a knack for this. Try selling on Etsy or Fiverr, where gamers and social media users often shop. 2. Creative art generation. Why buy expensive art? Generate your own with a dreamy starry night over a mountain village, Van Gogh style. Print it for your wall, and if you have extras, list them on Redbubble or Society6 as wall art for some passive income. 3. Product design visualization. Save on hiring photographers. Prompt a sleek white coffee mug on a cozy wooden table, morning sunlight. Use it for your online store or social media. You could even try your luck on Upwork or Fiverr. E-commerce and social media folks might love these visuals. 4. Film and game design. Skip pricey outsourcing for character designs. Prompt a fierce female warrior in futuristic armor, 4-view design, front, back, side, and 3/4. Use it for your game or animation, and share extras on Unity Asset Store or itch.io. Game developers are always looking for assets. 5. Educational and research visualization. No need to pay for educational visuals. Prompt the signing of the Declaration of Independence, realistic style. Use it in your presentations or videos, or sell to educators on Teachers Pay Teachers, or even in your own Udemy history course. These 5 ways help you save money and maybe earn with ChatGPT-4o's free image generator. Give them a try. Love this? Smash that like, subscribe our channel for more AI tips. Level up with AI bypass link below. Pro tip, turn your creations into videos with Keling. Which idea's your fave? Comment below.